Yes, good evening, students. So, online students, am I audible to you? Okay. So, now I will move to the further. I hope you remembered in the previous class what is the topic we did. What is that? Networking. Have you executed? Got the answers? No, not executed, right? By looking at you, I can say you did not execute. Most of them did not execute. Only few of them might be executed, correct? Right, students. Any of students? We'll move to the further. Next, we are entering into the last topic, which is a bigger one. Bigger one in the sense compared to normal, what is the thing left out? The bigger one. Regular expressions in Python. Regular expressions in Python. Very important. So this I will take 3 days. Of course, 2.5 days it will take. 3 days you can take. So there I am going to talk about index. What this index is. Okay. Carefully try to follow. So Naveen is asking, when is the new batch starts? So I said to you students, new batch Python tomorrow at 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. 1 p.m. by KVR. This is a new batch Python tomorrow at 11 a.m. So any friends are there? Tell them and tell the message carefully. And Pujita, sir, when will be the NASCAM test? So many times I said, ma, NASCAM test will be any time. You can write in midnight also. Midnight also you can write NASCAM test. Provided we have full Python in our brain. Midnight also you can write. Today, if you want, one student written the test. 89% he got it. My phone is kept in the charging. At the end of the class, I'll show you. 89% he got it. One student sent a message also. What that? Sir, please give me important questions. I will read that and I will write the test. So, Samyukta is asking, sir, you said you'll upload the questions. And you are uploading for my questions to upload. So when I upload the questions, you will read my notes and the questions and you will remember A, B, C, D options without seeing the first A, second B, third D, fifth A. Like that you are remembering. Would you like to do like that, ma, Samyukta? And that too I am feeling very much tension. When girls are asking, I am feeling tension. If boy is asking, okay, let it be. But girls are asking this like that. So, no, ma, Faziana. There is no certain date. Any day you can write, including Sunday also you can write. Just a safe side. Safe side, those kind of sites you can take. Read my notes. It is just like what? My notes is just like what? In Telugu, I don't know whether you know poems or not. I don't know. One God is there. Vishnu Chakramadi. Mana notes. We just say, we say others person neck cut. Whatever you are targeting, that will be cut. I'll give the questions. I'll give the questions to you. I'll give the questions. Where? Sir, ready? So KVR backup. Exercise. KVR backup. Exercise, Python exercise. Here you see. Here you see. NASCAM. You will ask immediately, sir, please upload. I will upload it. You will read that. You will get gold certificate. After that, you will go to interview or not. You will say, I'm a NASCAM certified. Definitely, you will feel okay, good. But anyhow, something is there in the brain. Technical people will not believe anybody. You take me, I never believe anybody. Unless and until I will scan that person. Even I told you also, don't believe anybody I said, unless and until they show the code in the class. I said or not? Same thing. So, what is that, Aniket? Sir, you promise that we'll give, what is that? Merged notes of our class. What is that? Merged means? Total notes. అది merged notes అంటారు దాన్ని. ఏం ఇంగ్లీష్ మీరు? ఆయన మీరు ఇద్దరు ఫ్రెండ్సా? నేను మళ్ళీ మిమ్మల్ని ఏమన్నా అంటే ఫీల్ అవుతారు మీరు. యూ విల్ ఫీల్ ఏ లాట్. ఓకే, ఎనీహౌ, that is called zip files అంటారు దాన్ని. Zip files. When you will upload the zip files. Once the batch is over, immediately after the batch is over, immediately I will upload the notes. This only I said in the class. So it is not a, already daily I am uploading the notes or not. That is more than enough. So you promised, sir. Once if I say, I will do that definitely. So don't take like that. So actually I should not do all these things. I am already saying that. Daily I am sending the notes, you have to download it. Anyhow, students, a new batch is there. Try to read, go to the place. And our batch will be getting finished within 2 to 3 days. And these 3 days after, I'll keep this entire notes, that whatever I discussed it, I'll keep that entire folders in the form of zip file. If you read everything, you'll get the gold certificate. Okay. So one day, because what is that? Merged notes. Your friend. One day I was standing there. Not now. One day back I was standing. One person came. Naresh IT office where? Naresh IT office where? Naresh IT office where? Grammar is not there. Nothing is there. Other person who is standing, the people who are there with me, some people are there with me or not, they understand. Office, Satyam Theatre, opposite. Office, Naresh IT, Satyam Theatre, opposite. Grammar is not there. Both friends understand each other. Butler English is Butler people. Normal person who knows English, what? Where is the Naresh IT office? Naresh IT office is adjacent to some theatre, adjacent. That is called good English. Merged notes, synced notes, long notes, short notes, these are all called not correct. Go to the point. You unnecessarily touch my things and I will be giving long explanation for you. Anyhow, come to the topic. Index, purpose of what? Regular expression. Purpose of regular expressions, I'll start. Next, I'm going to introduce applications, definition of regular expression. Definition of important. Definition of regular expressions. So, next I'm going to talk about applications of regular expressions. Applications of regular expressions. And next we'll talk about module name for developing programs in regular expressions. That is called, module name is called RE. What is RE stands for? Regular expressions. Because God given knowledge is there. Because you are already good in shortcuts. What is RE? Right, good. So functions in where? Functions in RE module. Functions in RE module. There I will explain multiple module names. Followed by what? Some programming examples. Programming examples I will explain. So this is one part. Next I am going to discuss second day. Programmer defined character classes. Programmer defined character classes. Followed by programming examples. Programming examples. Next is called, what do you know? Another part of it. Predefined character classes. Predefined character classes. Predefined character classes. Programming examples. Next is called what? Quantifiers. Quantifiers in regular expressions. Quantifiers in regular expressions. I am taking quantifiers in regular expressions. Also followed by what? Programming examples. Next term, this is about second level. And the third level, if I go for it, it is a combined programming examples on combined programming examples, combined programs on predefined, programmer defined, comma what next? Predefined, and what? Quantifiers. Quantifiers. All those combined examples I will give you. This is about my agenda. So coming to the point of it. Vinay Kumar. Okay. My dear student, take care, ma. Take care. So I'm going to take up index first day. This is what I'm going to discuss today. And we'll enter into this area if time permits. If you understand it quickly, we'll go for it. So next I will go for regular expressions. Importance we will start. Now here I'm going to take up importance of regular expressions or introduction to what regular expressions I'm going to talk. Introduction to regular expressions I'm going to talk. So here I'm going to take up introduction to regular expressions. Now, what is this regular expressions? This regular expressions topic is every real-time project. Every real-time project, this concept is most useful. In real-time projects, this topic is most useful. This is used in Java field. This is used in Python field. This is used in JavaScript also. This is used in C#.NET. In every moment of it, regular expressions are minimum topic. And regular expression is not a topic of these languages. Regular expression is one of the programming language independent topic. It is actually from anybody knows subject of automata. There is one concept is there. Automata theory, one subject is there. From that place, it came into the picture. So regular expressions is one of the programming language independent topic. Independent topic this is. So independent topic or independent concept. And it is implemented in many languages. Many languages like Python. Next is called what Java. Next is C#.NET. And in JavaScript, in many of the languages, these concepts are available. In many languages, these concepts are available. That's why it is known as what? Programming language independent concept. Since we are learning Python now, we are supposed to learn the module of what? Regular expressions in Python. In Python programming, regular expressions concept, regular expressions are implemented and whose library and whose functions are available in which module? RE module. So to deal with regular expressions programs, we must import which module? RE module. So to develop any program by using regular expressions, we must import what module? RE module. So networking, we imported socket module. Threading, we imported what? Socket. Like that we did. To develop any program by using regular expressions, we must import RE module. Now, what is the definition of regular expressions? I want to give you. Definition of regular expression. Regular expression. It's really very good topic. It's quite interesting and a little danger also. Before that, I would like to write applications of regular expressions. Applications of what? Regular expressions. Regular expressions. I am going to introduce it. What are the regular expressions? Applications. We are going to talk about it. Shall we start off? Right. So, what is the purpose of data type? To allocate the memory space and data can be stored. How many data types are there? 14. So with the different data types, we used to store the data. Like that, for everything there is a purpose is there, definition will be there. What is the use of multi-threading? To get the concurrency, to get the concurrent execution. What is the use of networking? To share the data across the machines. What is the use of PDBC, database communication? To store the data permanently with some advantages you know. What is the use of files? Persistency. And to do CSV file, there are different. Each topic will have some type of advantages are there. Like that, regular expressions, advantages I'm going to talk. So let's start up. Right. First advantage. Regular expressions are used in development of regular expressions are used in development of, I'll write it. Wait, I'll go to my Python environment once. I'll go to my Python environment here. Take care. A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20, C is equal to A plus. Actually, I need to write A plus B, right or not? But I wrote A plus. Carefully think. What is this now? Who will execute this statement? First of all, you tell me. To do this, to evaluate this statement, what are the things are coming in front of you? Python compiler will come and Python virtual machine will come here. Python compiler will do what? Line by line interpretation will do for compilation. PVM will convert the bytecode into understandable code of the OS. So first who will come? Python compiler will come. What Python compiler will verify? Python compiler will verify what? Python compiler will verify what? Why are you coming to the class? See that? See that? You are not reading. You are not reading. See that? 6 p.m. Features of Python. Interpretation process. I am opening. Interpretation process I am opening. You are all not following that. See that. We develop the Python program, compilation process and execution process. In compilation process, Python source code submitted for Python compiler. It reads the source code, check for errors by verifying the syntaxes. This is the most important. Source code, that code, this code, that is the wrong answer. Python compiler check for errors by verifying what? Syntaxes. If no errors found in Python program, compiler converts into what? Intermediate code called bytecode and extension .pyc. My notes is so powerful. If you don't read the notes, not keeping for any suitable, for 1 rupee value also not there. So regular expressions, go to that. So what is the use of Python compiler is doing? It will verify the syntaxes. Syntaxes verification done by what? Python compiler. So source code, that code, this code is a blunder. A plus is called what here? Come on. A plus is called what? Wrong in syntax. Because Python compiler already having one rule for plus. One rule for plus. What is that? Object 1 and plus what is this? Object 2. Whenever you are using plus operator, left side of plus operator, right side of plus operator, some values must be there. Getting or not? If any one of this is missing, that will be given as which error? Syntax error. That means Python compiler already having some rule, some fundamental rule is there. That fundamental rule is applied to your statement. This fundamental rule, which was already designed in the Python compiler, is called one type of what? Regular expression. So regular expressions are used in where? Python compiler, not only in compiler of Python, C compilers you take it, Java compilers you take it, any of the language compilers you take, any of the language interpreters you take it, they are used for validation of the syntaxes. So if I press enter key, it is going to give you what? Syntax error. Who will give the syntax error? Python compiler will give you. Understand? Syntax only not following. How PVM will come into that? All syntax errors of the languages are given by the compilers only, interpreters only, by verifying the rule of plus operator. Fundamental rules present in the compilers. So, used in where? Language compilers. And next what? Interpreters. Interpreters. Used in language compilers and interpreters. Because the language compilers are already having syntax rules are there. Those rules applied on your program. If the rule is satisfied, converted into bytecode. If it is not satisfied, it gives you error. Already said na? Everything is said. Interpreter also line by line, all at once. That you are already aware of it in my class. Next, that is the one thing. That means, in order to validate anything, what is required? In order to validate anything, already some rule is required or not? Correct or not? You are attending one show at 6 p.m. You want to attend one cinema show. So those people who is checking your ticket will have some rule in the brain or not? Whichever ticket you will show, they will not allow. If you show your ID card, they will not allow. He is having some, in his brain, some syntax is there. That syntax will be applied on what you are showing it. If it is validated according to his fundamental brain rule, allowed to enter. Otherwise, he will say that not allowed. Are you getting my point? So, regular expressions are used in where? Language compilers and interpreters. Next, regular expressions are used in development of universal protocols. Universal protocols means you take your HTTP protocol, your internet is presently using. What is HTTP? Full form వద్దని చెప్పినాం కదా మనం ఎప్పుడో. Full form still if you are saying scrapping up. HTTP is one of the stateless protocol. Stateless protocol. What is the stateless protocol? As long as you are maintaining the identity, it is maintaining. Once you are out, your identity will be lost. Best example, ATMs are communicating through what? HTTP. Your Gmail is going to be verifying your mails by using what? HTTP. That means when you go to the ATM, when you keep your card, when you are entering your PIN number, your identity will be maintained. Once you take out your card, other person coming, will he get the previous person details? That means you are maintaining your identity only for that 2 minutes or 3 minutes. Correct or not? What that protocol is called? Stateless. Spell out. Stateless. Stateful means what? It maintains an identity of a person forever in the same. That is FTP protocol. These rules of the protocols are designed with what? Regular expressions. Understand? And it is one of the acknowledgement-oriented protocol. Once the message is delivered, you are getting that message sent to the so-and-so recipient. You will get the message or not? I mean to say, what I am trying to say, when you are going to compose your mails, you are going to give the mail ID, you are going to give the subject, you are going to give some attachment also, right or not? That means your protocol is meant for what? Transmitting the data from one end of the device to what? Another end of the device. While you are going to transmit, what is the minimum requirement it will verify? Your mail ID and your attachment. Right or not? So your mail ID not there. HTTP protocol will not carry. It will tell immediately something is missing. That means HTTP protocol was already designed with what? Two mandatory things. Either you have to type in the subject content or you have to attach some attachment. And plus you need to have the destination address also. If any one of it is missing, it is going to give you what? Invalid kind of. transmission of the data. So HTTP protocol was designed with the rules. Those rules are used to develop by using universal protocols. Protocols are nothing but set of rules used for establishing the data and establishing exchanging the data between two devices. That's why protocols are used in the internet. These protocols rules are designed by using what? Regular expressions. Are you able to follow? Next, regular expressions are used in development of, go to this now, go to this place, KVR, CD. Like this I wrote it. Or I wrote something like this, D colon. What is the D colon? Changing the drive. Changing the drive. Instead of that, I am writing something like what? E colon I am writing. I don't have E drive in my place. Is the message is coming or not? Now I am saying D. What is that? D is there, it is coming. CD. CD. I need to say my folder name. KVR, Python. I am saying that something like 6 p.m. 6 p.m. I am saying here. It is going to enter. Now I am going to say CD. I am not writing after that. It is saying current directory is going to show like this. Now I am saying something like, CD, some other folder I will write KVR. Once again I wrote. It is going to give you what? Cannot find this. I mean to say, whatever you are writing here, you must follow some syntaxes of OS also or not. Now I am writing something like a C semicolon, I am writing it. It is going to give you what? It is going to give you an error or not. That means OS also will have certain rules and regulations are already designed it. Such against the rules, if you supply, it is going to give you some sort of errors like this. I mean, from here onwards, you have to understand that anything to validate, what is required? Some rule to be defined. That rules are designed with what? Regular expressions. Development of what? OSS, operating systems. Next I am writing regular expressions are used in electronic devices. Electronic devices. Of course, electronic devices. You take Sonato, you take Philips, you take keyless remote devices for your cars. They are all containing what? Some rules and regulations. You take, if you feel difficulty about it, you take your physics lab of your intermediate. Physics lab of your intermediate. Intermediate you remove it. At least you take first year physics lab. I don't know whether you have the lab in your physics, in your engineering or not. Or degree students, you take it. Physics, BSc people. They have physics. Labs are there. First year, second year, third year. In that electronic circuits theory will be there. That electronic circuits theory, you need to have to follow the connections which are already designed. If you go for wrong connectivity, experiment will not be successful. Such rules are also designed with what? Regular expressions. The total electricity theory is designed with what? Regular expressions only. If you feel difficulty, you take a simple example called a wall clock, you take it. Wall clock, you take it. In the wall clock, when cell is over, when you want to keep a new cell, in that cell slot, there is a plus and minus symbols are kept. At least you watched it. So there in that, you have to keep our cell as it is like that only. What this is giving? They are giving a formula to attach like that only, they are saying. If we keep in wrong direction, it will not work out. This is nothing but what? A formula is designed. Internally, they have some circuitry designing and all. But they are giving to the end user point of view like this. So I mean to say, used in electronic devices. One more I am writing. Regular expressions are used in development of pattern-based applications. Pattern matching applications. Pattern matching applications. What do you mean by pattern matching applications to students? You see, this is my document. This is an edit plus I am using. Go to where? Search. Are you following? Search. What is this now? Find. What is my expression I want to search for? Regular expression. Say what? Find. Starting from where? Come on, fast. Here I am going to write it. Find. Regular expression. Next, regular expression. Next, regular expression. Next, regular expression. In all the places it is moving or not? So in my document, regular expressions are available how many times? So I am using the Edit Plus software. People are going for what? Some searching mechanism or not? Such a searching mechanism is known as what? Pattern matching applications. These are all called what you know? Regular expressions applications. As on today, and you are using, you are going to an unknown location. You want to visit to unknown location. What are you keeping? Map you are keeping. What is that map? Is a rule to follow my area of journey. Is it a fundamental rule or not? That is my expression in the brain. I will go there according to the directions. If I go wrong direction, what will happen? You will be missing the destination. Correct or not? So these are all called what? The inbuilt rule present, which is applied on the given data, is called what? Regular expression. So regular expression's purpose is to validate the data. So I'm going to write it. The purpose of, I'm writing the statement, the purpose of regular expressions, the purpose of regular expressions is that to validate the data. To validate the data. I'm telling so many techniques for you to validate the data. To validate the data. Now I'm going to come to the regular expressions definition. What is the regular expression definition? Can anybody answer my question? Come on here. Now I'm going to take it. Take one example. Data is equal to something like capital A, small y, capital R, some digit, some symbol, some exclamation, something like a K, some D, some P, some 7, some 2, and B at the rate, something like a D, and something like Q, P, and 8, and 2. Like that I am writing it. Somebody is asking me, please get all alphabets. Please get all the alphabets. I can write without regular expression also code. I would write some 6 to 7 lines I need to write. With regular expression, I can write only 2 lines. Instead of writing 8 to 9 lines, with regular expressions, I can write 2 to 3 lines, I can finish it off. In DevOps, it is using. In AWS, they are using nowadays, because Python scripting is coming under what? 2 to 3 lines they are using for validation of the data. Because of which code? Regular expressions. To validate the data, minimum requirement is regular expressions. In other languages, regular expressions code is difficult. In Python, it is dead easy. Tell me how to find these alphabets which are present. Or somebody is asking, please find the upper alphabets. Please find the lower alphabets. Please find the digits, how many are there. Please find the special symbols, how many are there. How can I write 1 or 2 lines of code? With a normal coding, I can write it. With str data, you can write it. Is alpha, is upper, is lower. Already said na? Is space, is digit. With that, you can do it. Right? If you read our notes so thoroughly, everything you can solve it. But only thing is, we never touch that book because allergy will come when you touch the notes. That's the main problem. If you read daily, you will get successful. Any interview you can conquer like anything. But only thing is, our body will not cooperate to read the notes. That's a natural. So come to the regular expression. So in this place, I want to search for only digits. I want to search for special symbols. I want to search for upper alphabets. I want to search for lower alphabets. How to search it? For that, I'll go for what? Regular expression. What is the definition of regular expression? Don't tell regular expression is a rule. What that rule contains? That rule definition, I am saying it. Regular expression means Vikas is saying sequence of characters that defines a search pattern. Okay, good, good. Now, Vikas is good, but I want to get amazing answer I want to give. Good, very good, excellent, wonderful, amazing. Like that, I want to give the grading. Okay, anybody else? Okay, Vikas is good student. Ganesh is saying to find specific data. Good. My students are good. Because once I heard about it, very long back. What is the regular expression? A regular expression which is regular. You did not understand. Because I molded you. What is the data type? Type of data is called a data type. Allah, avidanga. Regular expression is one which is regular. It is not defined by student. One faculty has defined that. I have seen the notes also. That is not regular. So now I am defining what is the regular expression. Come on, careful. Once you understand this definition now, other things are going to be easy. Nadim Alam. Right, good. Now follow me. A regular expression is one of the search pattern. Search pattern is one of the search pattern. Spell out. మొత్తం చదవండి ముద్దు బాబులు. A regular expression is one of the search pattern, which is the combination of what alphabets, which is the combination of what alphabets, comma, digits and special symbols. Special symbols. A regular expression is one of the search pattern, which is the combination of alphabets, digits and special symbols, which is used to find or match or what search in given data and obtains desired result. Desired result is called what? Regular expression. What is the regular expression? Regular expression is a combination of one search pattern. First of all, it is a search pattern. How to prepare the search pattern is our intelligence. Which is a combination of what? Alphabets, digits, special symbols are there, which is used to find or match or search in where and obtains what result? Desired result. In Hyderabad, so many routes are there, but you are getting one map route only. What is that? It is a search pattern to be applied on Hyderabad routes. Only one route is given for it. There is a search pattern in Hyderabad routes to reach your destination. Are you following that? You will go to a supermarket to buy something. What is that buy something? Search pattern. In your brain, some search patterns are there. You are going to where? Supermarket. Obtains your own data or not? That is known as what? Regular expression. All of you read the definition once. Regular expression is one of the search pattern, which is the combination of alphabets, digits and special symbols, which are used to find or match or search in given data and obtains desired result. Only read, understood? Understood? Good. So, come to the point of it. On this, some examples I want to tell you. Directly, I want to go for example. On this, I want to go for an example. Online students, did you understand up to here? What is the use of regular expressions? For validation of data. That validation of the data, what are you preparing? Search pattern, which is a combination of what? Alphabets, digits and special symbol, which are used to find or match or search in given data, obtains the desired result. Now I want to go for certain examples I want to show you. Shall I? Okay. Now look at students. I'll go for simple example with more meaningful example I'm going for. So regular expression 1.py. Regular expression 1.py. GD means given data. Python is an OOP language. Python is also functional programming language. Functional programming language. That's all. What is this called? One sentence. One sentence. Okay. Now I want to go for what? Search for the word Python. Search for the word Python. How do you do it? How do you do it generally? This part is there. This is a given sentence. They are asking in system test. Find how many times Python is available. What you will do? Generally, tell me. Very good. You will split it. Once you split it, what is happening? See that once it is happening, go to the Python environment. This is called what? S is equal to I'll get this now. You will paste it here. Get it? GD. What is that GD? STR object, given data. STR object, GD dot. What is this now? Split off. Split off. What is the split off giving? Words. What is the word is coming? Python is an OOP lang. Huh? Python will not come. You are thinking that Python will come. This is not separated by what? Space. It is separated by what? Dot. See that. See that. One Python is there. Is an language Python is one thing. So how can you search for Python now? Tell me. What you will do? In this case, only Python, if I look into that, it is looking for Python one time only, na? So will you get to Python 2 times is there? What I do? Again I will split. Again I will split. It is complex process or not? To avoid that. To avoid that. What is the easiest coding? What is the easiest mechanism? Regular expressions are there. Shall I go for it now? I will go for function name called what? Search. What is my regular expression? A search pattern is equal to which word you want to search? Python. My given data, my search pattern. I will tell you almost 23, 25 formula. I will tell you 35 formulas. I will tell you 35 formulas. I will tell you. And you will remember those 35 formulas. After learning that 35 formulas, ask any person what is the regular expression definition. They don't know. Even single formula also they don't know. It is my own interest. I'm telling all these new topics for you. Right? So in any Python batches, they don't tell these many topics. So you have to understand, you have to remember it. Now I'm going to say search for Python. In which place? Come on, in GD. To do that, there is one function is there, student. What is the function name? Search. Search. Search is the function. Now I'm asking one question. Every function of Python belongs to dash. Every method of Python belongs to dash class. Class is a collection of data members, instance, class level, static, instance, class level, etc. Every function of Python belongs to dash. Come on. Huh? Every method of Python belongs to dash class of data. Correct answer. Class. Class. Every function of Python belongs to dash. Module. Module. Put open this. Me flashback. I'll go to this place. I'll go to this place. 6 p.m. Modules. Modules. I'll go for nodes. Index. Module. Modules. I'll open it. Here you see. A module is a collection of functions, variable names, and class names. What is a class? Class is a collection of variable data members, methods. What is the difference between method and function? Function belongs to the module, method belongs to the class. Function belongs to the module, method belongs to the class. You know, I explained so many days these concepts. So almost functions explained 12 days, modules 2 days, packages 1 day. Almost I explained so many days. Still, if you forget, helpless. Every function belongs to dash module. Every method belongs to what? Class. Because the class is a collection of variables, data members, methods. Methods types, data members types, constructors types, destructor, how it is working, you already know. Multi-threading with classes and object, multi-threading with functional, so many things we discussed it. Still, if you don't remember, what can I say, students? This search function belongs to what? Module. What is the module name? RE. So, import what? RE. RE is called what? Predefined module for dealing with regular expression. RE parameters are search pattern, comma, GD. Search is the function belongs to which module? RE. GD is called my given data. SP is called my search pattern. Do you know? Search function will search the SP, search pattern, in given data for first match occurrence only. Search function is used for searching the search pattern in given data for first match occurrence. Even though second, third, fourth matches are there, it will look for only first match. Simple, student. Your number of students are there. Search for the person name called Praveen. I look at first Praveen is there. Yes, Praveen is there. I will never look for second Praveen, third Praveen. There are 6 Praveens are there. Once one Praveen is there, I will go and tell Praveen is there. Yes or no? That is called which function? Search function will find for what? First matching only. Even though there are multiple matches are there, it will find for what match? First match. And it returns. And it returns what? RES. Result. What is this RES contains, student? This RES contains some details. What details are there? These details are going to there. What value is matched? What is the value matched first time? Python is matched. It is found 0th index, first index, second, third, fourth, fifth, 0, 6. 0, 6. What is the starting index? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In fifth also n is there. End plus 1 is coming. What is the end plus 1? 6. 6 minus 0 means what? 6 characters is called Python. That is called what? Span entered. What is that? Span. From where to where it is available, it is coming. This entire data is present in one object. This is called RES. RES is an object which contains this entire data. This object belongs to one class. That class name is called match class. What is the class name? Match class. Present in which module? RE module. Tell me. Search function gives the result in the object of which class? In the match object, what is there? Start index is there, end index is there, and which value is matched is there. Let me print it. Let me print it. Print of what? RES. First simple example. Very big basic example. Go to that. Go to this place. Regular expressions, create one folder. So I'm going to create regular expr. Inside of it, I will save it. Go to the place. Come to students. D:, KVR, Python here, 6 p.m. 6 p.m. Under that regular expressions, there I'm going to discuss. Come on, py. I'm going to say regular expression 1.py. What is coming? Come on. RE.match object. Span is called 0 to 6. Match is what? Python. Got it? Now, what is this type? What is the type of? RES, comma, type of what? RES. Already said. Come on, what is this? Type of what? RES. See the answer now. What is the type? Class RE.match. Got it? Okay. Now I am writing the name called KVR. Do you have KVR here? No. It is going to say none. No value found at all. What is the value returning? What is the type here? What is the type here? None type. Already you know about none. In destructor level, none you know. In data type level, none you know. What is the use of none also you know? Well, coming to that. If my data is not found in the given data, what is the result of search function? None. Which is what type? None type. See the example. See the example. None and what type? None type. Hence, search function. Search is successful. What is the result? Not none. If it is not there, what is the result of RES? None. If, come on now, what is RES not equal to what? None. Print what? Print what? res, print res, else I am writing print what? Search pattern, search is what? Unsuccessful. Search is what? Unsuccessful. Are you following me? Execute it. What is this now? Search is unsuccessful. Now I am writing what here? I am writing what here? Python. What is this? Search is successful. Getting the result or not? I want to get it. Starting index I want to find. Ending index I want to find. And I want to print the matched value also. For getting the starting index in match object, there is a function name called what? Come on. Start. There is a function name called what? And expect it. End of. There is a value I want to get it. There is a function name called a group function is available. What is the function name? These three functions are present into which object? Match object. How do I get it? Come on, now I will write it. In the case of this, I'm writing search is. Come on. Successful. What is this now? Start index colon. Start index colon. Dot format of res dot start. What is res? Object of what? Match. Here res is an object of re dot object of re dot what class? Match class or what? What type? None type. When it is match type, search is successful. When it is a none, search is unsuccessful. So res dot start. Start is an instance function in which class? Similarly, I will write here end index. I will write here end index. End index is equal to res dot what? End. End of. Now I will write next. What is this now? Group is equal to, that is a value. Value is equal to re dot what? Group. Simple students, easy. Execute now. Print this data. You execute. See the answer. Sorry. Say this answer now. Say here py. Any mistake is there? 8th line. So I say some spelling mistake is there. This closing, one more bracket closing. One more bracket closing. So answer is like this. నేను మీరు ఇలా చెప్పారనుకో నాకు చాలా నిద్ర కూడా రాదు అసలు. Because students are having this much basics అని. Start is what? Within the double quotes I wrote it. డోర్ ఏం చేస్తున్నారు మీరు అసలు? So what is this now? Start. What is this now? Start index. If I write anything here, something I am writing, no problem. Anything you write in within the double quotes, you will get that. Here if I write wrong name now, because by saying this answers for me, you are disappointing my. Like this now, this is an error. This is an error. What is that error? SAT, RT not present into match class. What is that error? Huh? What error? Huh? What error? Syntax error. ఇంకా ఏమన్నా అంటే మళ్ళీ మీరు ఫీల్ అవుతారు. Attribute error. That function is not present in that. What error? RE dot match has no attribute called what? Start. Did you mean start? In whoops, how many times I said? Explained or not? In beginning days only I said A is equal to 2 plus 3j. A dot real. A dot imag value. A dot imaginary. Attribute error. Daily you will come to the class. Ramudu is a manchi baludu. But subject, where is the subject? So, coming to the point of it. So, coming to this place. Now execute it. Getting or not? Now, if I write this one, go to the place, which function you know so far? Which function you understood? Now I am writing here. I will write something like HYD I am writing. HYD I am writing 2.py. Easy students. You are not getting me. Start. Sorry. It was saved in somewhere else. Save as. Go to this place. In 6 p.m. You go to this regular expressions. In this, you save it. 2.py. HYD. HYD is not there now. What is an error? Search is unsuccessful. Search is unsuccessful because that value is not found. Did you understand the meaning of search function? Search will search for which match? First match. Not looking for second and subsequent matches. Search will return either none or match object. None means unsuccessful. Not none means search is successful. That's all. Remember, first function is search. Next example I am going. I want to look for all the matches of which word? Python. Example 3.py. What is my word here? Python. Python I am going to use it. I want to search for what? All the words. I want to search for all the Python words. How do you do that? See, re dot, what is the function name? Find all. Spell out. Re dot find all. Huh? Re dot find all. Every function belongs to one module or not? Spell out. Re dot find all of what? SP comma GD. Find all function search for this search pattern in the given data completely and it get all the matches. It returns search function was returning either match object or none type. This will return RES. Here RES type is of type list. RES is of type what? List. Why list? It is holding multiple values. Print what you know? RES comma type of RES. Type of RES. See how simple it is. So find all will look for one match. All the matches. All the matches. All the matches. It look for all the matches. See students. Print this. PY. See. Closing bracket problem. Here I am closing it. Now see the data here. Python is coming. Class list is coming or not? So what is the difference between search and then find all? Find all will search for all the matches of the matched ones. Search will look for first match occurrence only. Search will return either none or match object. Find all returns all the matches in the form of list. Understood? Come to the point of it. Now I am writing HYD. Do you have HYD there? It is going to return what? Empty list. Empty list it is going to return. Empty list means what? No matches found. Find all will give you empty list if no match is there. If it is matching, it will give you what? All the occurrences. Are you following me? Now I am printing. Print. See students, I say this like this. I'll write. Careful. Found times time and s. Dot format of what it is? SP comma len of what? RES. Len of what? RES. See that Python found how many times? 2 times. Now I will write. Here I will write HYD. Tell me. HYD find 0 times. Now I will write one question straightforward. I want to check it how carefully you are. And come on. How many times? 1 time. Wrong answer. I have to tell you one Mahabharatam story for you. An is there. An is there, an is there. How many times? What time why you said? You are not careful student. You are seeing only here. You are not seeing in depth of it. In depth of it. In depth of it you did not see. Okay, fine. So see that answer now. What is this word? And see that. Execute. How many times? 3 times. Option A 1 time, option 2 2 times. First only option A. Garbage collector away. So Python. So did you understand? Find all will do what? Searching for the search pattern in all the occurrence matches. So here I will write Python. Online students, are you following me? So see students, done. Online students must follow. Did you understand the difference between search and search and what? Find all. Search and find all. So find all will search for what? All the occurrences, returns list. Search will return first match only in the form of match object. Match contains 3 functions. So start, end of, value, group of. Now, my requirement today is I want all matches. I want all matches. Which one you will go? Find all. But I want all matches indexes. All matches indices I want. All matches indices I want. Only one match indices means search. But I want all matches plus all matches indices also I want. Are you getting my point? How do you get that? To get this all the matches indices and to get all the matches plus matches is indices, who will not give? Find all will not give you. Find all will give you only one. That is called what? All matches. Search will give you what? Index is coming. But which match? First match. Second and subsequent matches will not come. But I want to do this one and this one. For that, one more function is there. What is that function name? Find ITER. What is the function name? Find ITER. Find iteratively. Find iteratively. That will give you all the matches and what? All matches indices also will be given. Shall I apply that? Let us coming to the point back. Here I am going to take up. Same example. Up to here I will take it. Take care. Important students. Now I am going to take up. Observe it. 4.P1. Python. Now I am going to say. Already you know this. Search you know. Find all you know. Find ITR. RE dot find ITER stands for find iteratively. Iteratively means all the ways of SP comma GD. How it is going to do? This is going to be what? RES. Sir, what is this RES? Print RES, you wait. Don't go to like a normal days. So this is going to be statement. The moment when it is executed, my dear students, it is preparing one table of entries, guys. One table of entries will be prepared. What is that? It is going to prepare the table like this. What is that? Start index. Next is what? End index. And the next what? Matched value. What is that value now? 0. 0. What is the end value here? 5. 5 plus 1 is called what? 6. What is the value found? Python. This is called one matched entry or not? Right. Find ITR will find this. Next, looking for is not matching and OOP lang also not matching. But this Python is matching here or not? Matching. What is this index? Of course, if we count it, you will get it. Roughly, I will write it 22 or 22. And the next is called what? 28. I will write it. Roughly, I am writing. You can count it and you can see. 23 or 29. Anything. Some difference is there, some 6 characters. What is the value present again? Python. I am not sure about it, it's 22 or 23. Just I am writing roughly. What is this entire thing? Do you have any more else further? This entire thing is pointed by what? RES. This RES is an object of earlier list. Now this is an object of what? Class callable underscore iterator. Callable underscore iterator. Callable underscore iterator. Spell out underscore iterator. What is callable underscore iterator? Class RES is of type. Callable underscore iterator, which will contain first match value, second match value. If I print of RES, don't think that this table will print. No, it will not print. I want to print the data like this. How do you print? For what I want? One match, y2mate, one match. One match I want. One match means this is one match, this is another match. One match in where? RES. What is going to give you in this case? This entry will be given to where? y2mate contains what? 0, 6. What is this? Python is there. Python is there. What I want to do? I want to print what data? 0 I want to print. 6 I want to print. Python I want to print. How do you write it? Print of y2mate dot what? Start. What is y2mate? Is an object of which type? Match type. Because it is getting one match or not. Comma. What is this next? y2mate dot end of. Next y2mate dot value group of. It will print this first one. Next second one also will be kept. For loop na? Like that it will print all the matches. Let me print first of all this one. Print or I will write what match table. MAT tab match table. Match table contains what? Multiple matches. Print of type of MAT tab. MAT tab. You print it. See this now. Execute 4.py. Go to this place. Regular expressions. You save that 4.py. Py now. See this now. What is this now? Callable underscore iterator. Callable underscore iterator. Here MAT tab is an object of what? Class callable underscore what? Iterator. Done. If you print that directly now, you will get what error in the sense memory address will come. It won't print the data. It is printing what? More number of elements are there. To get the data, I will get it. Come on students. For one mat in what? Match table. Print of what? Mat, comma, type of mat. Type of mat. See, match on match 0 to 6 1 Python. 22 to 28 1 Python is there. What is this type? Match type. Are you getting? So how do you get the data perfectly? Print of tell me. Start index colon. There I will write a end index colon, and next I will write a value colon dot format of MAT dot start, comma, MAT dot end of, MAT dot group of. What is this mat here? Here mat is an object of what? Here class RE dot match. RE dot what? Match. Are you following? Execute now. See the answer now. See this answer. Are you getting or not? So which one is a complete matching? Who is going to provide? How many functions you learned so far? One is which function? Search function, find all function, find ITR function. According to your knowledge, which one is the most deep searching? Find ITR. Returns an object of either none or what? Match. Find all will give you what? Find ITR will give you callable underscore iterator. Got it out? Under match, what is there? Start is there, end is there, group is there. These are all called functions. How many functions? 7 functions. Search of, find all of, find ITR of, start of, end of, group of. These are the functions present in which module? RE module. Got it out? So which module we are using? RE module. How many functions are there? So I want to show you that. What is that functions here? I want to show you one small explanation, student. For this one small explanation, I want to show you. Please look into that. Please read out. Carefully read out. Predefined functions in which module? The RE module contains the following essential functions. Find ITER. One more function is there. Sub function is there. I'll tell you. Right now, don't worry. Because I need to cover the quantifiers concept. Then you can understand that. After covering the quantifiers, I'll tell you that function name. Okay, students. First function, find ITR. Because it's the first in priority wise. Variable name is equal to re.find ITR, search pattern, comma, given data. Here variable name is an object of type, class, callable underscore iterator. This function is used for searching the search pattern in given data iteratively, and it returns a table of entries which contains start index, end index, and a matched value based on search pattern. Got it? Right. This is an important. What this is returning? Callable underscore iterator. Next function, find all. Syntax, please. Variable name is equal to re.find all, search pattern, given data. Right? Who is this? Sai Kiran. Sir, generation of QR code not set. Mr. Sai Kiran. Which concept I am discussing, ma? QR code is 2. I said already in the class. Mr. Sai Kiran, be in the class. Yesterday only I said. I said that I will explain on Friday. I said it is a 2 minutes concept. 2 minutes program, that is. Without listening this class, you are going for QR code. What is the use of that? I said already in the class. Yesterday only I said. Please concentrate in the class. Unnecessarily wasting your time. Variable name is equal to find all of. Are you listening? Sai Kiran, listen. So here find all of search pattern, comma, given data. Here variable name is an object of class list. This function is used for searching the search pattern in entire given data and find all occurrences or matches and returns all the matched values in the form of object list, but not returning start index and end index value. Are you following? Right. Next, what is the function? Search. Search. Variable name is equal to re.search of search pattern, comma, given data. Here variable name is an object of class re.match or re.none type. Either of this one or none type. Re.match means successful searching. None type means what? That's all. This function is used for searching the search pattern in the given data for first match, first occurrence or match only, but not other occurrences or matches. If the search pattern found in given data, then it returns an object of match class, which contains matched value, start index, end index value, and indicates search is successful. Example is already set. Here this example I said, start index, end index, everything. Everything is more programmatic here. If the search pattern not found in given data, then it returns a none, which is of type non-type, and it indicates search is unsuccessful. Group of This function is used for start. End also same. Finding what? End index plus 1 of which value? Matched value. This function present in where? Match class of RE module. Variable name is equal to match obj dot end. Regarding the sub function, don't worry. I'll explain it separately. Understand? In the quantifiers case, I'll explain the sub function. It is very easy. Nothing is difficult. Is it easy? This is related to what? Predefined functions. How many functions for searching? Search of, find all. Right. At present, we understand this predefined functions in RE1. Using that, we will write lot of coding part. Now I am going to introduce simple examples. I said Python, search pattern. In this case also Hyderabad. In this case Python here. Now I am using in this case also find ITR. Search pattern is like this. So only we are not looking for a word. We are entering into the second episode of the regular expressions. That I am going to introduce. Online students, up to here, did you understand? Did you understand up to here? Programmer defined character classes. Sai Kiran, are you there, mom? So programmer defined character classes in where? Regular expressions. So regular expressions. So there I am going to talk about it. Now I want to start. The name itself, classes means don't think that oops related. Not that thing. Programmer defined character classes defined by whom? Python programmers. For what purpose? For preparation of what? Search patterns. Programmer defined character classes are defined by, very, very important. Here I am telling around 12 formulas and 4 more extra formulas you will tell to me. Programmer defined character classes are developed by Python programmers and used in where? Used in designing of which patterns? Search patterns. Used in designing of what? Search patterns. Used in designing of search patterns. And these search patterns are used in, and you know already, these search patterns used for finding, same wording, finding or what? Searching and or what? Matching with a given data and obtains what? Desired result. Obtains desired result. Careful. You must be careful in understanding. Online students, you must be in the completely online. You should be there in the online until I complete my class. If you go for after 7:30 dinner, something like that, tomorrow you will not understand this regular expression continuation part. Take care and be in the class. Programmer defined character classes used in preparation of what? Search patterns. What previously I used it already here? Python. This is a simple word I use. Nothing, no formula, nothing is available. Today we are going to write some formulas. Now I am writing syntax. I am going to write it. What are the syntax I am writing? See, I will write it. Double quotes. You need to use a brace, square brackets. You need to write programmer defined search pattern. I will write it. Search pattern. I will write it. Search pattern. I will write it. Double quote started, double quotes ending. What I am writing now? Search pattern I am writing it. Are you getting my point? So how we are using it? Now I am writing the programmer defined the following are the programmer defined character classes in regular expressions. What are those? I am writing one by one. Carefully follow. Now I am writing something like this. First formula. There are so many number of formulas are there, students. Let me write it, because in middle of it you will get lot of doubts. That's why I'm writing beginning only. These many formulas I'm going to tell you. So try to follow me. 11, 12 formulas are there, and later I will extend it. Now I am writing it. First one. I want to look for, it is beginning, some tension will be there. You'll get some confusion, but after one or two formulas are getting completed, it will be more clear. For example, I am looking for letter called K or V or R. I want to look for the letter called K or V or R. I am looking for letters. I will look for digits. I will look for special symbols. Later I will look for what? A group of letters I will look. Like that I am starting from the basics. Come on. I am writing here KVR, I wrote it. What is the meaning of square brackets if I write KVR? It is search for either K or V or R. So I am writing here ABC. If I write ABC, it searches for what? Searches for either A or B or C or C or C. Either one time or more number of times is available, it will search for. Once you understand this now, other things are dead easy. Let me go for the example for that. I am going to take up, here I am going to write it. See this now. Searching for, I will write for every formula one program. Here I am writing 5.py RE. This is my given data. What is my given data? Directly I will write it. RE dot, what is this now? Find ITER. What is my search pattern here? ABC. Directly I am writing. Are you understanding? Earlier I wrote SP, GD. Today I am writing directly value, comma. Here I am writing GD. Something like I am writing A, K, something like, @ symbol, some digit, something like one more small a, some small capital L, some small p, some 4, some more special symbol hash, something like, something like G. I will write Q, and I'll write 8, and I'll write something like, H. I will write B, and I'll write Q, and I'll write something like, W. I am writing it. Small w I wrote it. This is my given data. Now I am going to close it. Find ITR will give you what? One match table will come or not? Match table. What is that match table? A. Do you have A here? Yes, it is there. Whose index? Starting index and ending index. Next is called B. Do you have BB here? One B is there. Starting index and ending index. Do you have C here? No. I want to print the data. How do you print the data? I want to take up something like this. Now I am writing for, come on, MAT in where? Match tab. I will say here. Tell me. Start index colon. Next is called what? End index colon. Value colon. Dot format of MAT dot start, comma, MAT dot end, comma, MAT dot group of, done. And end of it, I will write this. So try to see carefully. Now I am writing program for searching. I'll write a title of it. Searching either A or B or what? C or C only. Only I am writing. Regular expression 5.py. Done. 5.py. Out of that, now I am writing it. C students, py, C here. A is found at where? Fourth index. End index is 4 plus 1, 5. That is only one letter. 5 minus 4 is one letter. 13, 14, one letter B is there. Suppose if you want to take one C also, C is there at where? 0th index. One more C. 0 to 1, one C is there or not? Getting up? So this is comes under one type of result. Result also I will keep for these programs. Especially I will write the outputs also in that. Because once you open these notes, at least you will see the output of it. Getting? What is this logic? Searching for either A or B or C in this given data. Now, be careful. Now I want to search for other than ABC, I want to search. I want to exclude this ABC and I want to search for other data. How do you write it? In bitwise operators, we used like that. What is that? మనకి ఏమైనా చదివితే కదా ఎప్పుడన్నా. వాట్ ఇస్ దిస్? క్యాపా బిట్వైజ్ XOR. Bitwise XOR. రేపు tomorrow batch is starting again, rejoin. Supplementary course mala join avandi. So bitwise XOR, bitwise complement, bitwise and bitwise or long ago there is a bitwise operators is there. You know that? So exclusive OR operator of ABC. What is the meaning of exclusive symbol? Other than ABC. What is the exclusive operator? 11000010011. AA matching not counted. BB matching not taken. CC matching not counting. AA 0, BB 0, CC 0. Other than that, counting. Already done. We stage that pain there. So searches for all except searches for all except A or B or C. A or B or C. Searches for either, searches for all except A or B or C. Following or not? So go to the place and look at the coding. Look at the coding. See, take this. Now I'm writing others here. Python here. See, program for searching all except what? Except A or B or C. There I am writing 6.py. 6.py. I am writing exclusive OR operator. When C is there, not printing. A, capital A, these are all, what are all ABCs are there now, they are not matching. Other than small ABCs will be printing. Print this now, execute it now. Come on to the point, execute. Are you getting? 6.py. See that whatever the indexes are there, that result will not be coming below. What is coming, you see? 0 is not there. Capital A, capital K, all of them are searching except what? Small ABC. You see 0 is not there, 5, 14. 0 is not there, 4 and 6 is there. 5 is not there. Next is what? 14. 14 is also not there. Are you getting? Right. So powerful. Go to the place. Here, I'll go to the topic here. Done. You see, this is an output of it. Now this is the result of it. Are you getting me? This is about what? Searching for all except what? A or B or C. Now, go to next. I want to look for. Are you understanding this positive and then what? Opposite searching. Now you got it. Now I want to look for all capital alphabets. All capital alphabets. Open the bracket. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. What's that? మధ్యలో మిస్ కాకుండా without missing a doubt. So coming to the point back, writing this many is waste of time or not? Right. That's why we will write simply what? Capital A hyphen what? Z. Capital A hyphen Z. Tell me what it search for? Searches for all uppercase alphabets. Uppercase alphabets only. Come on, write the code for that and see. This is the result you see. I'll copy this code. Only what I am changing? Formula I am changing it. Formula I am changing it. See that. Searching, program for searching all what? Alphabets. Alphabets. Searching for alphabets. Alphabets only. Right? Do that. 7.py. 7.py. What I am writing now? All uppercase alphabets. Okay. Searching for all uppercase alphabets. So uppercase alphabets. Here I am writing A to Z. A to Z I will write it. A to Z. Capital A to Z. See students, wherever the capital A to Z is there, just filtered. So come out of that PY. See students, only capital alphabets. Are you getting this capital alphabet? A, K, L, G, H, Q. A, K, L, G, H, Q. Are you following? So going to this output, I'll paste this output here. Getting this? Now I'm writing. Other than what I want to get it? Other than this one I want to look for. Where is my formula? Other than the upper alphabets, what I want to look for? I will take up the same formula. Now I will write what? Exclusive OR operator. Searches for all except what? Except what? Uppercase alphabets. See, after knowing, you'll feel very easy. Without knowing, this is difficult for you. So, coming to the point back, I'll carry this. See students, others, and Python here. There I am pasting here. Looking for what? All. Except what? Except what? Except which case letters? Uppercase alphabets. 8.py. Change the formula. What is this? Exclusive OR operator. Change it. So, other than this, how do you do that? 8.py. Will be coming. Special numbers will come. 1 to 6. 1 to 6 is not there here. Next is called 10, 13, 15 is not there. Are you getting? So, I'll carry this. This output I will paste it. Online students who are all present. So, people went off. Only Python eating people are available. Okay. Now I will go for next into this place. Next I want to look for. Now you tell me. Small alphabets. How do I write small alphabets? Same thing. Same thing. I'll carry this. What should I write it? Small a to z. Small a to z. A and then z. So searches for what? Lowercase alphabets. Lowercase alphabets. Following up? So I will carry this. I'll go to the new program. For every program, separate formula you write. Searching for all what? Lowercase. Lowercase alphabets. How many alphabets there? How many alphabets are there? Huh? 22. Okay, one day I said no. Okay, good. Huh? A to Z. Directly don't tell 52 because interviewer will get it out. Who is this? Because interviewer is also one day he is there in the class now. You said 26 upper alphabets, 26 lower alphabets is equal to 52 alphabets. If you tell now, it will be cool. If you say directly 52, they will think that who is coming from which country. Programmatically, you have to show that uppercase alphabets, lowercase alphabets, if you say counting is 52. How can you differentiate ORD of small a, ORD of capital A? If you tell now, you will be say, okay, good candidate. Say directly 52, you will say, okay, you will take the bag and you will go. You convince them. Convincing is important. But to convince it, what is required? Subject is required. To get the subject, what is required? Reading is important. Reading is important. Your body will not cooperate. What can I do? But one satisfaction is what? I'm teaching complete subject. That is my satisfaction. If you don't read, it is not my headache. It is your headache. It is obvious. Your parents will give 1 lakh rupees, saying that you preserve it for something. If you say, sir, I will spend here and there, means you spend it. What is happening? One day you will become poor. But subject is not like that. The way which you spend daily, you will get more knowledge. Understand? That's why education is important. Once you know good education, money will come automatically. We should not worry about money. We worry about good education. Understood? Okay. So, sir, in OOPS, what is S? They are worrying about a QR code. In OOPS, yes. These things, because everything is left out, only that subheading, small letters they are worrying now. Okay, students. Ganesh, don't worry about it, ma. Oops. Nobody will ask that yes. If anybody asks, you tell the object-oriented principles. Tell all of them. Object-oriented principles, that yes stands for yes. Still they did not convince it. You ask them, what is that yes? You tell what yes they are saying. You also say that wrong. They won't have any practical reason why they are wrong, why you are wrong. There is no such rules. You worry about class, object, encapsulation, abstraction, inheritance, polymorphism. You worry about that. What is that? Yes, don't worry about it. Is it really to worry? Never, never. So Ganesh convinced with my answer. Good. I can convince anybody with my subject. If I speak without my system, now you will not listen my words. I will mold you with my practical knowledge. Okay, start index, end index. What is this? Lowercase alphabets. 9.py. 9.py. So, but you don't become teacher. You don't become teacher. Why? You know already. You know already. Without preparing, if you come to the class, problem. See the answer. What is coming? All the uppercase alphabets. So, again somebody, sorry, is it object-oriented programming systems? Systems, so structures, so anything you can write it. Whatever you like it, you tell. I did not say that principles. It is an officially, I am not saying. Object-oriented principles, yes. It is, I am not saying officially. There is no such full form is available for yes. You search in the internet, you will not find yes full form, they don't give. Even nobody will give also. You can say yes stands for system, yes stands for structure, yes stands for principles, yes. Nobody will object you. You say whoops, whoops, whoops. What is the full form? Nobody will ask. If anybody asking whoops, nothing is available. Syed Mahbub, I hope you understood me. So shall I move forward? Earlier it is what? 8 you run it. 8 you run it. We got it what? 8 or 7 or? 8. 8 is printing what? Other than that. Now I am printing this 9. 9 is printing what? 9 is printing what, ma? Small alphabets. All small alphabets are coming. Now I'll go to the small alphabets. Now I am taking small alphabets. Okay, very perfect. Next, I will go for opposite to that. What is an opposite, ma? I want to look for other than small alphabets. Other than small alphabets. Exclusive OR operator. Searches for all except what? A lowercase alphabets. Go to this place. Last step. Tomorrow I will continue the rest of them. Because feeling. So searching for all except the lowercase alphabets. Go to 10 dot. There I will write it exclusive OR operator. Exclusive OR operator. See that, save it, come out of that 10.py. See that no small alphabets at all. Small alphabet 0, 5, 7. 0 is not there, 5 is not there, 7 is not there. 11, 14, 16 is also not there. Other than the small alphabets is coming. Getting? Right. This is about the output of this code. And further, I will continue this formulas. I'll continue tomorrow. This I will write tomorrow. Tomorrow class, I'll continue. At sharp 6:10 p.m. I'll continue. Tomorrow I have 11 o'clock new batch is there. Any friends are there? Tell them first. If you want to read Python class, then only you go to that. Otherwise, say whatever you like it. Okay, students. Thank you. Tomorrow class will continue this. Take care.